set to go. Race number 4, good luck on your pick 4 choices. And they're up, ahala, as expected. Draws for your lead right behind in second, always on time, Nostradamus. Then moving up is Smart Tyler. Okay, Mr. Bond. OS Pacola Corona, moving up down the inside, and Jensen is special. About to pass the half, Mapol always on time, this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second, Ahala, moving up now on the outside is Smart Tyler. La Corona down the inside, then followed by OK, Mr. Bond, West, Pacol, and Jensen is special. Always on time, still out in front, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Running now in second is Smart Tyler. La Corona, moving up down the inside. Always on time is Smart Tyler. La Corona is Badal, Ahala in between runners. Always on time is Smart Tyler. La Corona is Smart Tyler. Now leading the field, La Corona down on the inside. But is Smart Tyler outlasting La Corona? Then comes always on time, Ahala. Okay, Mr. Bond, West Pacol.
Okay, 7-1-2-4 from first